You're suggesting that there's a conspiracy by Harish Rao and Santosh Kumar. Is your brother K.T. Ramarao also part of the conspiracy, or you think he has been misled by these people?
Madam, our family, me, myself, my brother and my father, they do not want us to be united. And unfortunately, I believe they are filling my brother's ears and my father's ears. And I believe that they have succumbed to that malign campaign that has happened against me. And I hope they will soon realize that I am not the one who is hurting the party. Jai Telangana! Jai KCR!
All right, my colleague Uma Sudhina joins us live on the broadcast, getting us more on that. Uma has spoken to Kavita also earlier. We played out that reaction. Kavita has now quit the BRS as well as from the MLC post, saying that she has no greed for any post, and she's been targeted by conspiracies. You've asked that question about her brother also. She's even said that KTR did not actually back her. And, there are conspiracies going on within the party, and they will soon realize that, both KCR and KTR, Uma. What more was said? Can you elaborate?
So Kalvakuntla Kavita has made explosive comments, as we have all heard, about Harish Rao and Santosh Kumar, and she has in fact alleged that both of these people have conspired to break not just the BRS party. She says they are backstabbing both KCR as well as Harish Rao, and she says it's a conspiracy to break both the KCR family as well as the BRS party. She is in fact issuing warnings to both her father as well as to her brother, saying that both these people are going to be working against the interests of the party, and they are already doing so, and she is alleging that they are hand in glove with Chief Minister Revanth Reddy. So if after the earlier comments that Kavita had made, she has obviously the suspension orders came from the party president himself taking that decision, and of course signed by the party general secretaries. Now it looks like there will be no going back at all for Kavita, for the simple reason the kind of allegations that she has lined up against both Harish Rao as well as Santosh would make it difficult for her to get back to the party unless the party decides to move Harish and Santosh away from the party itself. So at this juncture, what Kavita has said is that three things. One, she says for the last 105 days after she had spoken about a letter that she had written to the father being leaked to the media, she had asked the questions about who leaked it, and she says yes, it was Santosh Kumar who leaked it, but why no action was taken against him by her brother, who is the working president of the party. She's raising that question. The second important question that she is saying is that Harish Rao, she says, had used the money that he got from the Kaleshwaram project in order to fund the election of as many as 25 MLAs. She says she made a reference to 2018 when of course the assembly elections happened, and 2019 as well when the Lok Sabha elections happened, and she's saying that money that was ill-gotten money from Kaleshwaram had been used in order to fund the elections of at least 25 MLAs. The other thing that she said was that whether it is Dubak by-election or the election of Itala Rajender or her own election from Nizamabad, that the BRS party had lost those elections only because of Harish Rao. She says he calls himself, or he gets himself for himself a name of being a troubleshooter, but she says he's the one who's in fact bringing in the trouble and then acting as though he is making the trouble go away, and she's making him the villain of this entire piece. Back to you.
So what happens now? I mean, what is expected? What's Kavita's next move going to be? Nobody really knows, but what are speculations?
So Kavita has very clearly told me that she is not announcing a political party. I asked her, in fact, whether this was a succession battle, because her brother seems to be the political heir of KCR for all practical purposes, with his photographs being prominently displayed along with KCR during even the Silver Jubilee celebrations that happened, at the public meetings that happened. She said, no, this is not a succession battle. This is not a battle for political power. She will wait and see. And yes, she is warning all the people in the BRS to watch out or be cautious about Harish Rao. As of now, she is going to consolidate her position with the Telangana Jagriti itself. She has already announced that the Batukama festivities that are coming up, that is something that she will continue this year as well. As you know, the Telangana Jagriti has been the cultural wing of the BRS, and she continues to be active in internet and use that as the platform from which she will consolidate her position politically. Back to you.
All right. Thank